Good afternoon, 47. Your destination is the annual Global Innovation Motor Race in Miami, Florida. After analyzing the data from Reynard's computer, the case is clear. The Providence defectors are Robert and Sierra Knox, head of robotics developer Kronstadt Industries. A visionary inventor and technological innovator, Robert Knox has spearheaded Kronstadt Industries to the bleeding edge of technological development. His equally brilliant daughter, Sierra, is not only a financial wizard, but also a fiercely competitive race car driver with a fiery temper to match. Kronstadt enjoys enormous popularity with global consumers. However, few are aware that the company is also one of the world's leading suppliers of next-gen military tech. Last year, despotic ruler Jin Po employed prototype Kronstadt drones against peaceful civilian protesters in the now infamous Tungan Valley incident. And although it has yet to be proven, there is little doubt that the Knoxes personally brokered the deal, making them complicit in a war crime. It is unclear why the Knoxes would betray their masters, but likely the fear of being next on the Shadow Clients hit list has pressured them to cut a deal with the enemy. Undoubtedly, with Kronstadt Industries on their side, the militia will increase their attacks tenfold. And so our contract obligates us to retire Robert and Sierra Knox and contain the damage they may inflict on Providence. I will leave you to prepare. Welcome to Miami, 47. The innovation race is on its last day, and it is down to the wire. Thousands of eager fans are gathered for the final laps of this unexpectedly close race. Sierra Knox is expertly piloting her red Kronstadt car. Her father, Robert Knox, roams the nearby expo building where Kronstadt is showcasing its new prototype car. The Kronstadt RK Mark III has seen fierce competition from the Chinese Kowloon Heavy Industries' new racer. Moses Lee, CEO of Kowloon, has taken a dominant lead and looks invincible. Sierra Knox will need to risk it all if she wants to win for the third year in a row. The stakes are as high as they can get.
Terminated. I'm hearing rumors on the corporate grapevine.
Hey!
Don't forget, the secret of endurance racing is to keep that car going until the end. This race is not over until the clock ticks down.
Show me what's up, okay?
Command. Possible 517. Oh no.
Feels like a damn rainforest. Isn't there an AC unit in there?
Yeah, Knox wants it like that.
He has this issue with his left eye. 17 years old.
Mr. Knox has this place. So soothing. Yeah, you can look at these fish all day.
Yeah.
Seriously going to try to ask him about that.
I may only have the marketable building at the end about it.
Please feel free to wander around and explore, and thank you.
Lots of security here.
Let me just repeat some
Sierra's
ground
not
rules
just
for those of you new to endurance racing. You gotta cover as much ground as possible within the time frame. When the time's up, we have our winner.
Security detail rules, yeah.
He asked me to deliver a package. I thought it was just pyrotechnics. As I understand it, Moses Lee is into that sort of thing.
Interesting story. Want to know what I think? I think you were hired by someone to infiltrate the county pit, plant that explosive somewhere, and detonate it. You know what we call that? We call that domestic terrorism.
I'm just a...
Was there a touch? Or even a slight collision going into that corner?
Oh, the stewards are gonna have
Remember,
to take
folks, that endurance race is all about getting your car to cover as many miles as possible, no matter how burned out or beat up it may be.
Great, but we need more security.
How's he doing?
No. Judging by the state of the car when they brought it back in.
You're the junior slip wrench who got injured yesterday, right?
Suppose I am.
Great, this is your lucky day. Do well and there's a bonus in it, got it?
Got it.
All right, everyone, look alive and get to your stations. Sierra may come in for a last-minute pit stop, and I need you ready and able. You, rookie, get into position. Grab your preferred tool and be prepared. Today's your day. Shine, let's do this. Sierra's coming in. Everyone on your stations, now! Done. Everyone still has their fingers, I hope. Good pit stop. Fast, clean, no risk taking. I like it. Let's go.
Let there be light.
You've got to cover as much ground as possible within the time frame. When the time's up, we have our winner.
What a great atmosphere. The audience has come to see something special, and the drivers are not gonna let them down.
This, don't forget, the secret of endurance racing is to keep that car going until the end. This race is not over until the clock ticks down.
Yes?
This is the mechanic. The special component has been installed in the car and is ready for activation.
Excellent. Meet me shortly at the overpass. I'd like to handle this one personally.
All right.
You've got to cover as much ground as possible within the time frame. Time's up. We have our winner.
Okay.
Whatever.
Mr. Smith, a pleasure. Do you have the trigger?
Right here, sir.
Thank you. Tomorrow's papers will surely just write this off as a terrorist militia attack on some rich corporate CEO, but you and I will know better. Now watch this. Leave me. I need to be alone for a moment.
Yes, sir.
See, you just gotta keep your cool on this trip. It doesn't matter how strong your car is. There's always gonna be some pressure. Someone bumping into you, cutting you off. It's how you respond that decides where.
Here he comes.
Target down. Next up, Robert Knox.
Sierra? How did you... Oh, I see.
Get in line. Bad things happen.
I won't be a problem. I get the message. I suppose it's quite elegant. Admirable. If you will excuse me, I need to go away and be alone for a while. You understand?
I'm picking up some radio chatter, 47. Robert Knox appears to be heading for his helicopter at the top of the expo building. I think he's planning on leaving.
Abandoned apricot farm, which, according to sources at the FBI,
Hang on, 47. Robert Knox's calendar shows a meeting with a Ted Mendez, a defense funding consultant with the US military. Must be related to that robot. Maybe you can find Mendez somewhere.
Oh, those Kronstadt guys, they got good wage, good uniforms, and...
Both targets down. Well done, 47. Head for an exit, and we'll speak again soon.
Berlin, Shanghai, Montreal. We're bleeding operatives. Panic is spreading, and now we are axing our own?
Knox was a traitor. He would have caused incalculable damage.
And he won't be the last. This is exactly what the enemy wants. We need to fight the sickness, not the symptom.
And I have just the tool for the job.
Right. The Burnwood woman. Eric Soders warned you about her, didn't he? The Crusader.
I can handle Miss Burnwood. Everyone hates power until you offer them some.
And you ought to know.
ICA speaks the enemy's language. We need them.
And once we don't?
We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Fact remains, we are shadowboxing. We need to know who we are up against.
I was getting to that. His name is Lucas Gray. The late Mr. Cobb's head of security. Cobb was ground zero, first of our operatives to die. It had to be one of his staff, someone with military training and access to the plane.
Grasping at straws.
Gray is a mercenary, a veteran of every backwater tragedy you've ever ignored on the 5 o'clock news. Chechnya, Sierra Leone, the list goes on, but before '89, nothing. No records of any kind.
Ah, come on. CIA, KGB, plenty of spies went dark.
After the curtain was lifted, I cast a very wide net. Lucas Gray simply does not exist.
If you're all quite done wetting yourselves with excitement, I couldn't give two shits where he came from. I only want to know one thing.
How does he know about us?
I swear to God, this hearts and flowers crap will get us both killed. Can't you see? Your so-called friend is working for them now. He's not the man you knew.
This is his fight too, Olivia. Even if he doesn't realize it. Like it or not, 47 is our last and only lead on the partners. He needs to remember.
He's coming for us. And unlike you, he won't hesitate.
Just get me inside. Rico, I need a favor.